subscribers around the globe. Now there's something me as a farmer like to tell people this thing, and I'm telling you the truth that in the business of farming there is something we should know, that practice in the essence of farming is what makes you a good farmer. You don't just hear things and then you believe. Most times you have to try it. Yes, most times you have to try it, and that is what makes you a good farmer, and that's what brings about discovery. Yes, that's what brings about discovery. Now, if what I'm going to be sharing in this video is very straightforward, and I don't want to waste our time, because I think we're having a lot of ants in this farm today. I don't know why there's a lot of ants these days. I know it's rainy, but the rate at which this ant is coming is too alarming. You know that. So I don't want to waste our time. I'll go straight to the point at what I want to say in this video. What you have to do for us is give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel for more update about farming and whatever you need to know about agriculture. Don't play. So I found out something while I was growing up. You understand? This is a secret I want to be leaking out. I want to be sharing this secret out to everyone who is out there. Secret on how you can possibly comfortably grow scent leaf from the comfort of your home. Yes, how you can comfortably grow scent leaf from the comfort of your home. Now, you might want to say, sir, where is your own? Where is your own? Where is your own? But I'm going to be shocking everybody out here. So, but before then, many of us may be asking questions like, sir, how is scent leaf planted? You understand? How is scent leaf planted? I want to know how scent leaf can be planted behind my house. You know, stuff like that and all of that. And many people will be like, okay, I know how they used to do it. Is it through the seedlings, or is it through the stem, or is it through this thing? But that is why we are making this video today, and I'm going to be sharing you exactly the right point on how you can grow scent leaf from behind your house. Don't play. You're going to learn, and you're going to learn the hard way. There's a lot of ants. So I'm trying to rush up to make this video. If you look closely in this particular video here, which you will not see, but if you look closely like this, let me bend this camera over. You see, if you look 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, we have another one here. All these things you're seeing here, these are scent leaves. And the only way you can comfortably grow scent leaf in the comfort of your home, people will say, is through the seeds. It's a lie. If you buy a scent leaf today, get a scent leaf today, pluck out the leaves you want to use, pluck out the leaf just like this one. This thing smells so nice. So when you pluck out what you want to use, now the sticks, which is why we are making this video today, these sticks, you understand, these sticks you're seeing here is what you will need to go and put it in a very nice, even behind your house. You just go there, pin them on the ground, just like what you've seen here. All of them are pinned here in the ground, just in this farm. You see, they are all pinned inside the ground here in the farm. Now, what I will be making another video to tell you exactly how or when you will start harvesting your your scent leaf. Yes, I'll make another video to tell you exactly the time which your scent leaf will be already ready for you to start harvesting them and maybe selling them, as the case may be, because this is one of the things that is really moving business here in Nigeria. So guys, you want to know how to learn, or you want to know how to plant scent leaf at home. This is how to plant scent leaf at home. Get the stick, pin it on the ground, and then watch the process. It will shock you. Don't play. You don't need this. You don't need the seedlings. You don't need the seedlings to come and start pouring them. What you just need is the sticks, the stems like this. Pin it on the ground, and then watch they do very well. Don't play. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Please give us a thumbs up, share, give us a comment, and also subscribe. Till I come your way again, stay active, stay productive, start farming, and don't play. Bye. This is Farm with E and J.